Hello everyone, so today we are going to look at an advanced problem on indices. So our solution, the first thing is we want to know the laws we can apply here. We have this law of indices, the multiplication law of indices where you have to add the powers. And we have, if I have, the same powers but different base, of course we are going to multiply the bases and keep one power. So the idea is this can become this and this can become this. This can become this and this can become this. So we are going to apply it to all that we have here. Let's start with this. 18 raised to power 2n plus 1 should mean, of course, if I use this law, from this, I want to come to this. So from this, we'll express it like so. It will be 18 raised to power 2n multiplied by 18. All right. Now for this, I have 3 raised to power 4n plus 2 should be 3 raised to power 4n multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. All right. So lastly, for this part, I want to say that 2n multiplied by 162 raised to power n, we can write it using this law. Look at the same powers. So 2 can multiply what? 162, okay, raised to power n outside. Write it in this form. So these are our first steps. All right, so from this I have inputting all this here. So we are going to get 3 multiply this, will replace it with 18 raised to power what? 2n multiplied by 18, okay, minus this 12. This I can write as 3 raised to power 4n multiplied by 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2n. Okay, all this divided by what? This is 108 multiplied by this. So this is 2 times 162 raised to power n. All right, from this, I can see that 3 times 18 can multiply itself. While we keep 18 raised to power what? 2n there, minus, right, this and this can multiply itself. So I have 12 times what? 3 square. While we keep what? 3 raised to power 4n multiplied by what? 2 raised to power 2n. So all this divided by what? 108 into 2 times 162 raised to power n. Of course, this will further give me 3 times 18 here is what? 54. All right. So we have 18 raised to power 2n. Okay, minus 12 times, this is 9. 12 times 9 is going to give us 108. Then we'll still have this 3 raised to power 4n multiplied by 2 raised to power 2n. So all this divided by, okay, let's still keep this as 108 into 2 times 162 raised to power n. Now there are a few things we have to simplify. For instance, 18 means what? 2 times 3 times 3, which you can write as 2 times 3 raised to power 2. All right, here 162. 162 simply means what? We have 2 times what? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So this means what? 2 times 3 raised to power 4. So that's what 18 stands for. Okay, this is like saying 2 times. This is 9 times 9, 81. 2 times 81 will give me what? 162. So we've written this in their index form. So now for the ones we've written in their index form, I'm going to substitute for this and for this. So we have 54 into 18 means what? So 2 times 3 raised to power 2. So all these will multiply what? 2n as a power minus 108 into 3 raised to power 4n into 2 raised to power 2n. So all this divided by 108 into, this is 2 times, of course, our 162, we are going to replace it with this. So we have 2 times 3 raised to power 4, all raised to power what? N. So from this, if we further simplify, I have 54. Of course, this power can multiply what we have inside. There is a power of 1 here, so 2n times this we have is 2 raised to power 2n. This 2n times this is what? 3 raised to power what? 4n minus 108 into 3 raised to power 4n into 2 raised to power 2n all over 108. Of course, this is 2 times 2, which is a 2 square multiplied by 3 raised to power 4 and n outside. If I further simplify this power can multiply these two. Okay, so I have 54 multiply. Of course, let's make them similar. So this is 2 raised to power 2n into 3 raised to power 4n minus what? 108. Okay, into this what? Okay, we can start with 2 raised to power what? 2n, like we have here. 3 raised to power 4n. Okay, all over what? 108. So this is 2 raised to power 2n. If 2 multiplies, if the n multiplies the 2, and if the n multiplies the 4, so I have 3 raised to power 4n. So what can we observe? We can see that this, and this is common. Okay, so since they are common, we can simply express this as 54 into 2 raised to power 2n multiplied 3 raised to power 4n minus 108 2 raised to power 2n multiplied by 3 raised to power 4n. So this can be divided by this, and can also be divided by this. So if we divide that, okay, I can see that this can cancel this, is 1, 1. This can cancel this, is 1, 1. This can cancel this, is 1, 1. So we are left with 54 over 108 minus 1 over 1 is still what? 1 over 1, which is still 1. So this can cancel this, is 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2 minus, this is 1. So half minus 1, of course, we can solve it as a fraction, half minus 1 over 1. So cross multiply. Okay, if we do that, we are going to get 1 times 1 is what? 1. 1 times 2 is what? 2. 2 times 1 is what? 2. So if we solve this, we are going to see that our final answer will be 1 minus 2 over 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 over 2. So this is our final answer to this question. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button, like and share.